Hello guys. Welcome to AWP Life Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you 3 easy way to take screenshot on PC and laptop. Step 1. Press Windows key plus print screen button. Your screenshot has been saved in the Pictures library. Now click on Windows button and go to Pictures. Go to Screenshots folder. This is your saved picture. Your step 1 is complete. Step 2. Press Print Screen button. Click on Windows button and go to Paint tool. After open Paint tool, press Ctrl plus V to paste your copy document. Save your picture file. Your step 2 is complete. Step 3. Click on Windows button and go to Snipping tool. This is free tool for offline user. You can choose any of the 4 modes available in this tool and snip your screen. You can edit the image after snipping. After editing, save your image. Step 3 is complete. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.